Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, where have you been, friend? Okay, we've been waiting on you. It's a quarter after. You're a little late, but it's okay. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. But we're going to get right into this video, you guys. So, for this video, I am going to be going through my favorite collections from each brand. So, not every brand has multiple collections, so if they don't have multiple collections, clearly I can't talk about them because they ain't in this category yet. But for the brands that I do have and the brands that I've tried multiple collections from, we're going to be talking about them in this video because I know when you walk down the aisles and you see maybe one of the product brands I've probably mentioned and you're like, oh my gosh, there's so many collections. I don't know which one that, you know, I should get or whatever. And so now I'm going to have a video for you guys to reference. So let's just get right into it. The first collection that I wanted to talk about is Camille Rose. You guys know I've talked about them sometime on my channel. They have a ton of products that I do really like. And by the way, this is in no particular order, by the way. But they have a few products that I like, but I would have to say I like this line the best. And I don't know if you guys actually would know that I like this line the best because I don't talk about it enough. But it is the Camille Rose Coconut Water line, you guys. I don't know what it is about it. I don't know the fact that they smell like bananas is why I really like these. But I really like these. They're just so good. Even though I don't even like the banana popsicle. I don't know. But it smells like that. And I love that. I love that. Anyway, it moisturizes really well. It's great for my low porosity girls. Like, I know a lot of us like to go for the thicker cream sometimes, but like lighter leave-ins and stuff like this really moisturize a lot better than some of those thicker creams that you guys put on your hair. So you might want to start trying them out. I'm just saying. Okay, so yeah, Camille Rose, I would have to say that one hands down. So the next one we're going to talk about, let's go with Shea Moisture. Yo, I know they got so many lines, right? Y'all probably like, God dang, how can you just pick one line? I mean, I really don't know, but I had one that I'm like, you know, I love multiple of the products in that collection. So I have to say I really rock with the Manuka Honey line, you guys. I feel like this one's very moisturizing. I love how it makes my hair feel. Everything I've tried, the shampoo, the conditioner, and the deep conditioner, I've loved them all. And I think I've tried a leave-in in this collection too, and I loved it. And my mom uses it. And y'all know I love this deep conditioner. I actually haven't used it in actually a while. Now I look at it, I'm like, I need to use it. I need to use it. So yeah, that collection's hands down my favorite. Okay, so for curls, let's do curls next, you guys. And you guys definitely already know which line I'm going to say of theirs. It will have to be the Blueberry Bliss, honey. Yes, this is all. Y'all, this line right here was so good. I know they just came out with like a green line and all of that, but this Blueberry Bliss line, ooh, I just want to smell them. Like, y'all, I am so big on smells. If y'all don't know, I'm big on smells. Ooh, it smells so good. Oh, yes. Like, I didn't like the cashmere one. I just did not rock with that one. And the first one that they came out with wasn't really that good, but this Blueberry Bliss, baby, it's so good. Okay, so the next product brand that I'm going to talk about is As I Am, and you guys know they have a few different lines now, but I would have to say the original takes the cake. There is nothing that you can purchase from this line that I haven't tried and I don't rock with. Like, anything that you pick up from this line, you should be good, boo-boo. You should be good. Like the coconut co-wash, this is the leave-in. You know what, As I Am really need to get on this deep conditioner game. Like, do they not have a deep conditioner? Am I tripping? Like, I really think they don't have a deep conditioner. I was talking to Jalen. We was like, do they not have a deep conditioner? Like, let me know in the comment section, you guys, if they have a deep conditioner, because I don't think they do. But everything they have in that line is so good. So, y'all did that. If I had to pick a collection from the Mielle Organics line, I would have to say, what is it? Pomegranate and honey. Woo-hoo. Y'all know the curling custard is bae. I just been trying out this like refresher spray. I like these sprays. I don't know why. Like, I just like to like spray it on my hair to smell good. Like, it's just like a topper. Like, what? I love these sprays. They're so nice to just spray, and it just smells so good. The fact that it smells good really got me. And that is what got me with the main choice, okay? Everything smells good. So, you know, it was not about smells when it came to the main choice, okay? I could narrow it down to one, you guys. Ugh. I know, I'm sorry, and I'm going to talk about them both. These are my two favorite collections from the main choice, you guys. The Moringa, the Tropica Moringa, and the Gold Glistening. These two stylers, period, if you have not tried them, you're asleep, honey. Wake up. Wake up. Hello. Hello. Wake up. Get you some. Get you some. This smells like sexy over 25. Like you feel like a sophisticated woman and living your womanhood when you have this one. This one feels like we're on vacation. I love you. We're on vacation. Like, it just smells so good. It's just a tropical vacation. I cannot. It just smells so good. So good. This line is just the smell and the wash and go and the everything is so good with this. These collections that I just mentioned, hands down, they have every check mark that I love. Like smell, packaging, moisture slip. Like, it's just everything. These lines are everything. So that was pretty much it. That's all the ones that I have. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.